Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal Express checkout error on your Shopify, right? So to do that, right now you can see that I'm in the backend of Shopify. Here in the settings, which is on the bottom right side, left side corner, just click over there, go to the payment option, right? And here you will see option that is called add payment method. You can just add it, and it is pretty easy, so I'll show you how you can add it. So make sure if you have already added it, just remove it, and after removing it can fix a problem. Then you have to just re-add, and after that you can just search by payment method. So for example, I'll just write here PayPal. Okay, and even if you don't write here, you will get the search option. So here if you just want to specifically, let me refresh it out because it's not working properly. Okay, yeah, so here we are in the payment, and you can see that pay. So you have to click on activate PayPal. So click on activate PayPal here, and here you have to click on activate PayPal Express checkout, right? And after that you will be redirected to a new page, and right now you will be, so you have to just wait. Sometime it's take a little bit of time depending upon your internet speed, right? And basically it will redirect to you a page of PayPal. So I'll just reload it once again. So guys, after here you can just add your account. You will be redirected to PayPal, and after that you can add your account easily, and after that you will find no error. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.